Hi everybody. Next we are going to see about the frequency reuse because it is a very important concept. In the cellular technology in whatever wireless communication, the frequency reuse is very important one. And the frequency reuse mainly we can use multiple times. That's the main thing. So we already seen that the cellular architecture is mainly the mobile station, base station, subsystem, and the network things available. These three things is mainly used in the mobile cell network subsystems. Is mainly used in the cellular architecture. In that we are seeing about the shape of the cells, how it will be dividing. It will be in the square. We have the frequency reuses mainly the width of the neighbor distance of D. We can use as a capital D, and the root of that capital root of that D. The better all the distance is equal. It will be simple choosing of switching network antenna, and data transfer rate is high. And cellular geometrics mainly the hexagon type, having that center. So both are it will be same. The distance is small d of each cell sites, and it provide the equipped distance antenna, and reduces reduce defined radius of circle, and distance from the center of vertex equal length of the sides. The distance between the center of that capital R is root 3 into R. Topographical limits and local signal propagation conditions and the location of antennas. These things are very important parameter in the cellular geometry concepts. And the frequency reuse is also mainly used in the concept. It will be used in the same frequencies with the given antenna, or separated by the considerable distance with the minimal interfaces, and to establish the communication. Main benefits of this frequency reuses is having it allows the communication within the cell of given frequencies and the limited escaping power to adjust the cell, and allows the reuse frequencies in nearby cells and use the same frequency for multiple conversations, and 10 to 15 frequencies as per cell we can use in the frequency reuse concept here. And the frequency reuse is remote power based trans receiver control. Mainly it allows the communication within the cell given the frequency range is mainly used, and limited escaping power to adjust the cells, and allow the reuse frequencies with the nearby cells, and use the same frequency for the multiple conversations. So around 10 to 15 frequencies per cell mainly we are using, where n is the number of frequencies, where capital K is nothing but the number of frequencies in the used in the systems. Each cell having K by N frequency ranges that are having advanced mobile phone service, that AMGs mainly having 395, and N is the 7 is given by the frequencies in the coverage area, where N is the frequency reused. Here it will be 4 of frequency reuse frequency we are using here. And the frequency reuse pattern, how it will be in the 4 factor will be used in the frequency reuses, and the frequencies are having 7 levels, and it can be frequency reuse capital N is in the 7. This is a frequency reuse concept where it will be used in the cellular frequency reuse pattern. And the frequency reuse using the frequency allocation, mainly the 7 frequencies allocation will be like it's F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, S2, F, like that. We have having several frequency ranges with the different frequency available. Generally 4 to 8 miles of diameter with a lower limit will be possible to cover the frequency. So, the frequency reuse, mainly the reuse cluster, each cells uses the total different set of channels with each other in the same. The reuse distance is minimum distance between the two cells using the same channels, and the co-channel reference interface is satisfactory signal quality caused in the transmission of two channel cells mainly. The co-channel reference is very nearest frequency, the same frequency, and also reuse distance is capital D in between that co-channel cells, and frequency B and frequency A group have different frequency cell sites available in between that new cell sites. This is the characteristic of reuse frequency. We already seen that capital D is the minimum distance between the cell sites, and R is the radius of cells, and D is small distance between the adjacent cells. That is capital R into root 3. And is a number of cells is representing the pattern. This cluster reuse factor and the cells of each pattern and the unique frequency ranges mainly. The frequency reuses that concept is we already said that the way the root of and rainbow. It's just how we can call it the cell and what's the frequency reuse planning and how the handoff will be take place of software and